and I am a petroleum engineering in my junior year at BSU, the National Engineering University. And this thing, it's a PC. Wow! And I built it in my own hands. However, building this PC took me 12 hours, a kidney, and a chunk of my sanity. I will show you on how I built this PC and how I got depressed.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
For the specs, Cooler Master V650 SFX Gold, ASRock PC60M ITX, Gamax Deepcool AG400 White RGB, Intel i5-12400K, Corsair Vengeance LPX32GB 3600MHz C18, and Samsung 970 EVO Plus M.2 1TB NVMe SSD, and for my GPU, Sapphire RX 5700 XT Nitro Plus 8GB. This case is called NR200P and it weighs around 7 kilograms. There are various colors available, but I decided to go with the white version. My main struggle is cables are very frustrating. It is preferable to plan out their placement ahead of time. I genuinely spend 2 hours of managing cables and my fingers are very sore. Regarding the hardware, I have a Red Dragon Lakshmi K606 keyboard. It is a wired mechanical keyboard with a 60% layout. I enjoy using mechanical keyboards to wake up my dormmates who are still sleeping. The keyboard has brown switches and a white backlight that can be adjusted to different modes. I have a wireless gaming mouse called the Garuda Osprey 1. It has RGB lighting. The design of this product is lightweight and features a honeycomb pattern. I use the AOC-24G2SP adjustable monitor. I don't have a second monitor, so why would I use my main monitor in a vertical setup? I mean, it was weird. I made 4 changes in a year of in-depth research. If you're not an expert building a PC, you need to consider the compatibility, the price, the dimensions, especially if you're building an ITX case. I strongly advise against using an ITX case if you're building a PC for the first time. Don't be like me, because I'm stupid. However, I feel really happy when I review my notes from last year when I was about to build a PC from a total scratch. I spent a whole year carefully planning every aspect of this build, from case to all the hardware. That's why it feels incredibly rewarding. So that's all for my PC build. I hope you liked the video. Stay safe, guys. Blessing to your hands.